I don't have a problem with spiders. No, I don't mind spiders. They're alright, aren't they? Apparently they catch all the flies. If that's the case, why the feckin' flies been bouncing around on me all feckin' day in my workshop is driving me absolutely crazy. The spiders are not doing their job. Yet, after doing a little bit of route work and putting chippings absolutely everywhere, I can see that the spiders have been busy. But not catching flies, no. Just putting feckin' spiders' webs all over my tools, as you can see. Yes, everywhere. They are driving me absolutely insane. Don't tell me that they are eating all the feckin' flies. Of course they blinking well not, because I've still got flies. Don't I have you see? Any suggestions? Oh, this guy. Well, that's too close. Any suggestions will be welcome. How the heck do I control spiders in my workshop? Not necessarily by killing them, but just so they don't feel happy there. I want them to bugger off and go annoy somebody else and stop covering all my tools in spider webs. Any ideas? Any suggestions, please? Thank you.